Hindi hadlang ang edad upang magtagumpay sa negosyo at magbigay ng ambag sa pag-unlad ng ekonomiya sa Central Luzon. Ito ang pinatunayan ng mga nakababatang negosyante sa Pampanga na patuloy na nagbubuklod upang paunlarin ang kanilang mga negosyo at ang komunidad. Bitbit ang temang Threads of Tomorrow. Ipinagdiwang ng Young Entrepreneurs of Pampanga o YEP ang kanilang tagumpay sa ika-10 anibersaryo nitong June 20 sa Clark Marriott Hotel sa Clark Freeport Zone. Mula sa 6 na miyembro noong 2016, lumago ang samahan na ngayon ay mayroon ng mahigit 100 official members. Sa kanyang founder's address, ibinahagi ni Jose Paulo Carlos kung paano nabuo ang organisasyon matapos nilang magbalik sa Pampanga mula sa kanilang corporate job sa Maynila.
When we decided to go home to Pampanga in our mid-20s, we realized that we did not have much business contacts and network. Mr. Gab started his own trading business, while I started to be involved in the family business. In order to build our network and to build camaraderie with fellow young entrepreneurs in Pampanga, our idea was to form an organization where we could meet once a month, talk about business, and support one another.
Sa nakalipas na 10 taon, hinarap din ng organisasyon ng matitinding pagsubok, kabilang ang pandemya, ngunit nanatili nila ang pagkakaisa ng mga miyembro. Ayon sa co-founder na si Juan Gabriel Hipolito, higit sa kita at network, mahalaga ang ethics at integridad sa pagpapatatag ng isang organisasyon.
Long-term business continuity, sustainability, and true growth depend on how well we maintain our hull. And that hull is made of our ethics and our integrity. In a world that often pressures us to chase immediate margins, we must remember that cutting corners or ignoring a small crack in our values in exchange for convenience will eventually sink the ship when the storm hits.
Para naman kay YEP Chairman Anton Tyrone Rodriguez, naging tunay na training ground ang kanilang organisasyon para sa mga susunod na henerasyon ng mga negosyante at lider sa lalawigan. Sa kanyang talumpati, hinikayat niya ang mga kasalukuyan at bagong miyembro na panatilihin ang mga tradisyon ng samahan at patuloy na yakapin ng inobasyon.
Now looking ahead to the next 10 years, I hope that our organization can continue with our traditions while embracing innovation. I hope that the organization, or I hope that we can continue paving the way for the next generations. And I hope that we can keep on passing the baton to the younger generations who will continue with our mission.
Para naman sa outgoing president na si Albert Guzman, ang 10 taon ay simbolo na mas matatag pa ngayon ng organisasyon sa kabila ng mga hamon sa attendance, lalo pat busy ang ilang miyembro sa kani-kanilang lumalagong negosyo.
We continue to uplift and help fellow entrepreneurs here in Pampanga to also a community where we can grow. Yun yung 10 years kasi talaga namin. So today, we're celebrating our 10th year. So we want to continue that one. We want to continue and grow our community of helping fellow entrepreneurs, not just to have new friends, have new people to work with, but also to learn from one another and how we can grow our own businesses then.
Isa sa mga pinaka-highlight na bahagi ng gabi ay ang official induction ceremony ng mga bagong opisyal at board of directors. Formal nang ipinasa ang pamumuno kay Colin Granda bilang bagong pangulo ng YEP. Aniya, naging mahalagang sandigan ng organisasyon sa paghubog sa kanya bilang isang batang negosyante.
It's good to have a community like this in Pampanga since as young entrepreneurs, we are a bit pressured by the different problems or the different issues that we're facing since we are the next generation already. So YEP has prepared me to become one of the best entrepreneurs in Pampanga.
Dagdag pa ni Granda, layo ng bagong pamunuan na ipagpatuloy ang nasimulang programa ng mga naunang haligi ng YEP.
So for 10th anniversary, our theme is Threads of Tomorrow. The reason behind this theme is because we want to weave the next generation of entrepreneurs and also keep whatever plans that our founders have started.
Sa pagpasok ng susunod na dekada, baon ng pagkakaisa at mas malaking pangarap, patuloy na maglalayag ang samahan ng Young Entrepreneurs of Pampanga patungo sa mas maayos at mas masaganang bukas para sa rehiyon. Raymond Tasoy, CLTV 36 News.